We know what the pink bag means by this time. Okay. Well, alrighty. Look at it. It's so pretty. I like this dusty color. It's reminiscent of the first bag I got, which this is my 12th bag from Ipsy. So that means we have now hit a year with Ipsy. I love the like light dusty pink and black. It's so cute. Okay. Oh, we got a brush. Ooh, it's two-sided. And it's luxy. I got 2 brushes in one, you guys. That's freaking cool. I needed more for like this for doing specific looks for my eyeshadow. Let's look at the card. Unzipped. I really wanted to talk about this because, one, they have a person in a wheelchair. Although admittedly she does look, you know, normal by society standards, but still, I will take what little bit I can. We've got someone who's like practically covered in tattoos. That's freaking cool. We've got varying shapes and sizes and colors. We've even got a couple of guys here. And one of the pictures that he was in, he was shirtless and he's fluffy. And I loved it. I love this array of human beings being beautiful and just themselves. It makes me happy. Maybe next time, have someone on the shorter, dwarfish side of things. It's not a nitpick, merely a suggestion. This isn't me trying to be like, well, if you want to be all inclusive, you know. Oh, we've even got some gray. We've got an older lady here. I didn't notice that. Alright, rock on, Ipsy. You know, you did really well with this. I am going to give you credit. Being sexy isn't limited to a certain size, shape, or age. And it's definitely not about airbrushing images beyond recognition. The way we see it, sexiness is authenticity. It's real. It's confidence. It's celebrating the magic of your unique beauty. It's forgetting what you think you're supposed to be and embracing everything you are. This month, let's unzip the way we think about being sexy. Let's define it on our own terms. No rules, no Photoshop, no restrictions, just 100% sexiness. The Ipsy way, aka your way. I like that. That's cool. So we have one Luxie brush. What's this? Spot on Targeted Skin Brightening Serum. MAD, M-A-D, skincare. Maximum Active Dermaceuticals, sorry. I wasn't aware that I needed brightening in my skin. Cleanse your face, pat dry, apply spot on targeted skin brightening treatment for the affected area. Yeah, I don't really feel like I have any dullness in my skin. Okay, I don't remember checking that as far as that skin concerns go. What's this? Mellow Matte Liquid Lip Paint. Tehran. I'll put the text, I don't know. Marsk, Sydney and London. Foiled again. That's what it's called. So I suspect you are an eyeshadow? It's really cool. Very cool. Bang! Beauty. I like that. Smoked Peach is the name of the shade. Still don't know what it is though. It's a blush. It's a blush in Smoked Peach. That's definitely peach. Whew. Okay, so I don't know if I'm super thrilled about this month. Okay, let's be fair. This is really the only thing that kind of rubbed me the wrong way. And I may have indicated in my beauty profile, I may have clicked on like dullness and just forgot. So I'm going to update my beauty profile because I really don't think I have any dullness in my skin. So I don't know what I'm going to do with that. I'm kind of excited about this. Maybe not as blush, but you can actually use blush as eyeshadow, and eyeshadow as blush. They don't want you to because they want you to buy the separate things, but it is doable. As someone who's still learning about the whole cruelty-free thing, I'm still so confused about how a brand can be cruelty-free and yet made in China, where it is required by law to test ingredients and products on animals. So I'm really confused. Do some swatches. If I'm going to be perfectly honest, though, I think I'm more excited. I'm less excited about this bag because I'm more excited about what I'm getting in the mail in a couple of days. I am very excited about this. I really like Lizzi brushes, and I really like the fact that it's dual-ended. So this is a lip tint. I keep getting like nudie shades. I'm hoping that I might get some more adventurous ones this summer. That's really pretty though. It's horrible lighting, but on camera it looks like it has kind of a lilac tone to it. But no, it's a mauve color. It's very creamy. It's very nice. Nice. Ooh, that's silky. That is super pigmented, and I think I am going to use it as an eyeshadow. Oh, that's so pretty though. It's a pretty color. Where's my tissue? Ooh, that's shimmery, and it is silver. That's nice. I like that you can go very light, but it seems like you can also build up on it too. That's very cool. Very cool indeed. All right. That's this month. And of course I will do a look. Not really sure what I'm gonna do, but I will do it in some capacity. I'll see you then. Bye.